Which of these animals has a baby named a calf? A cow? Or a pig? It's a cow! Stick around for fun facts. Did you know a cow's stomach has 4 parts? It helps them chew grass all day to stay strong and healthy. They are super smart and can remember over 100 faces, including yours. Cows have best friends too. They snuggle and play with their favorite pals. And remember, cows talk with moos. Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing animals.